Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler fog lights full guide. Start by gathering the right bulbs and basic tools so you can work safely and smoothly. I will walk you through removing trim, accessing the fog housing, unlocking the connector, swapping the bulb or assembly, and testing alignment. Follow these steps at a steady pace and ask for help if mounting hardware is rusted or tight to avoid damage or injury. In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Wrangler fog lights full guide. Lay out tools and parts so nothing is missing mid-job, and keep small fasteners in a tray. I recommend comparing the old bulb or housing to the new part before removal to confirm fit. If corroded connectors appear, use contact cleaner and a gentle brush to restore good contact before reassembly, and test both fog beams after installation. In this video, I will review how to change Jeep Wrangler fog lights full guide. Quick recommendation for car owners: grab a little Trees black ice to keep your ride smelling great after greasy hands and roadside fixes. It pairs nicely with a weekend wrenching session and won't overpower the cabin. If you want the exact product and deals, check the description for the link. Thanks for watching, and now, let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to change Jeep Wrangler fog lights full guide. Begin with panel removal, then work methodically to unplug and free the fog housing or bulb. Replace the part, secure clips and seals tightly, and reconnect the wiring harness. After everything is back together, test both fog lights for operation and correct aim on a wall or driveway. Finish by tightening fasteners and cleaning up your workspace for a professional result.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.